Hi everyone, this is Leah with Rusty Pearl Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how I decorated this cute metal container. The supplies you will need are lavender sprigs, some floral foam, a knife, ribbon, scissors, and Spanish moss. And of course the container. I got this from Hobby Lobby when they were having their 80% off. This was actually $4.99 and I only got it for $1. So let's get started. So what I did first is I put the foam into the container. I actually didn't realize that they actually came in 4 pieces, so I didn't need the knife to cut it. So I just put it in the container. I actually needed 2 of them. So what I did next is I cut the lavender sprigs and I fluffed them out to make them look a little fuller. And I clipped the top of the lavender sprigs. It came with this little plastic on the end of the sprig, so I just cut that off. And then I put the Spanish moss in around the base of the lavender sprigs just to make it look fuller and make it look pretty. And then I tied a ribbon to the handle of the container. And there you have it, guys, an easy DIY using some items from the Dollar Tree. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.